Hello guys, hope you all are doing great. So today's video is very special to me as I'll be talking about my favorite brand Loccitane, the wonderful treasure box. It is a box of 24 wonderful treasures. It has 24 different products from Loccitane. I'll be unboxing this and showing it to you guys what all the products they have. This box is really very good if you're looking for a gifting purpose, you want to give someone a good skincare, then you can go ahead and buy this one. I'll be showing it to you guys and I'll be showing all the 24 products in this video. So yeah, let's get started. So these were the 24 products from Loccitane. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.